Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Acorn squash with brown rice and turkey sausage. Acorn squash comes loaded with vitamins and C, and it's the perfect vessel for lean turkey sausage, peppers, and onions. Whole grains like brown rice supply even more fiber rich in vitamin A. Acorn squash is loaded with flavor and provides its own elegant serving vessel. Pair this sausage stuffed squash with a simple green salad for a delicious, satisfying meal. Ingredients: 2 acorn squash, about 2½ pounds. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 pound sweet or hot Italian turkey or chicken sausage. 1 small onion. 1 medium red pepper. Salt and ground black pepper. 1 package pre-cooked whole grain brown rice, scant 2 cups. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley leaves. Directions: lightly grease microwave safe large plate. Place squash halves. Cut sides down. On plate, it's okay if halves overlap slightly. Cook squash in microwave oven on high 8 to 9 minutes or until fork tender. Set aside until cool enough to handle. Meanwhile, preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 15½ by 10½ jelly roll pan with foil. In non-stick 12-inch skillet, heat oil over medium-high heat until hot. Add sausage and cook until brown, breaking up sausage with side of spoon. With slotted spoon, transfer sausage to large bowl. To same skillet, add onion, red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and cook over medium heat 6 to 8 minutes or until lightly browned and tender, stirring occasionally. Add to sausage and bowl. With spoon, scoop out squash, leaving 1/4 inch thick shell. Add scooped out squash to bowl with sausage. Stir in rice. It is not necessary to heat rice as labeled directs, and parsley until combined. Spoon sausage mixture into squash shells. Place in prepared pan. Bake 20 minutes or until heated through. Do you have other tips you would like to add to our list? Let us know what you think about the video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.